Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in which I'm going to show you two methods in which you can launch an OmniScript from another OmniScript. To do so, I have created two OmniScript. As you can see, there is a parent OmniScript and a child OmniScript. The first method we are going to see make use of the reusable OmniScript property. To do that, create a child OmniScript and in the setup menu, go and enable the reusable checkbox. Here, as you can see, I have already enabled the reusable checkbox, and when it comes to our child OmniScript, I have a welcome message which I'm using a text block and another text block which will display the value which is coming from the parent OmniScript. Here you can see I am using details : name, and this details will come from the context of the parent. Now don't forget to activate your child OmniScript. Once your child OmniScript is activated, go back to your parent OmniScript and from the build panel, go to your OmniScript section and find the child OmniScript that you created. Here its child OmniScript is present here. Drag it down to your step in your parent OmniScript. That's all for this first method. Just activate your parent. Go ahead and preview your OmniScript. Type in your value and click next. As you can see, the value comes in the child OmniScript. That's your first method. Now for your second method, I'm deactivating my parent OmniScript here. I'm going to use the navigate action. So to do so, go to your design tab. We can deactivate this for now. Here you have to do a bit of configurations. In your build panel, find the navigate action, drag and drop it into your details tab, and here you have to do a bit of configurations. And the first one being your page reference type should be velocity OmniScript, and the LWC OmniScript, the name of the LWC OmniScript. To make it easier, what you can do is you can go to your child OmniScript and click on this arrow down here. It's a drop down, and click on how to launch. It will give you the correct name that you should use in that field. You have to be careful while copying this. You have to copy the whole name which starts from C:. Okay, so you copy it and paste it in the place under LWC OmniScript. So for this OmniScript refill value, think of it like you're passing values in normal JavaScript using the URL parameters. So here the format should be like this. So the C___ should be there, followed by the variable name that you intend to use in your child OmniScript while waiting for this value to appear. And on the right hand side of the expression, you should use the merge field along with the value that will be in the current context. For example, in this context, in our parent, we have name field and we are passing that value through our navigate action. And you can also use static values. I'm just showing how to use dynamic values. For using dynamic values, you should use the merge fields. Hope that's clear. Now, before activating the version, after filling all the necessary details, go back to our child OmniScript, and inside our text block, we have to make some changes because at this point we are not intending the details context. The value we are passing from the parent is directly available in the name variable. So we will change it to name and activate the version again. And go back to your OmniScript, to your parent OmniScript, and click on activate. Now, to launch this OmniScript, see our implementation in action. Go ahead and click on this drop down icon again and click on how to launch. Here, you will get a link. You can copy either Lightning or Viewport. Copy it and paste it on another screen. Now, fill in your sample data and click on the navigate action. So our value is passed from our parent OmniScript into our child OmniScript successfully. So that's all for this video. Thank you everyone. If you guys have any questions, please comment it down. Catch you in the next video. Thank you.